Police has commented on it, and there are some political reactions as well. Let's listen in.
ये जो केस है वो एक्सीडेंट का केस है और एक्सीडेंट का जो केस है जो एफआईआर दर्ज हुई है वो एक्सीडेंट पर एफआईआर दर्ज हुई है। जब वो गाड़ी ड्राइव ही नहीं कर रहे थे तो उनके ऊपर कोई मामला वैसे भी नहीं बनता है।
पता लगा है कि शिवम मिश्रा नाम के लड़का चला रहा था, उनके पिताजी का नाम के मिश्रा है। तो एक्सीडेंट होने के बाद उसको उनके जो बाउंसर थे दो लड़के, उन्होंने उनको बाहर निकाला है गाड़ी से और उनको ये बताया गया है कि उनका कोई मेडिकल इशू था, तो उनको भी प्राथमिक उपचार के लिए भेजा गया है और एक्सीडेंट का अभियोग पंजीकृत करने के बाद अब उनका नाम उनका सामने आ गया है। आगे सारी विधिक कार्रवाई की जाएगी।
बहुत गलत घटना है। ये घटना का हम घोर निंदा करीते हैं। जो भी दुष्ट होए इस तरीके के काम करीत होए, कड़ी से कड़ी सजा मिले। हमारी सरकार इस दिशा में काम कर रही है।
उत्तर प्रदेश के माननीय मुख्यमंत्री योगी जी के शासन में कानून का राज चलता है। कोई भी हो जो गलत करेगा उसके खिलाफ कार्रवाई होगी। अखिलेश यादव के ज़माने में कानून का राज नहीं था, गुंडाई चलती थी। आज कानून का राज है। आप सबको खुद पता, देशवासियों को मालूम। हम अन्य प्रदेशों में जब जाते हैं तो वहाँ लोग कहते हैं उत्तर प्रदेश के माननीय मुख्यमंत्री योगी आदित्यनाथ जी ने जो कानून का राज खड़ा किया है, इससे पहले किसी मुख्यमंत्री ने उत्तर प्रदेश में कानून का राज नहीं खड़ा किया।
कार्रवाई हो, कानूनी कार्रवाई हो और सरकार पक्षपात न करे। सरकार पे हमेशा आरोप लगता है कि वो पक्षपात करते हैं। अपने लोग होंगे तो बुलडोजर नहीं चलेगा, अपने लोग होंगे तो एफआईआर दर्ज नहीं होगी, अपने लोग होंगे तो जेल में सुविधा मिलेगी। इसलिए सरकार को पक्षपात नहीं, न्याय करना चाहिए और जान गई है, कड़ी कार्रवाई हो।
And India Today, Simar Chawla continues to be with us. Simar, this issue is now just escalating, and also because of the fact that the accused comes from a certain background and has some prior history as well. Do tell us.
Well, exactly. That has been the reason for this, news to be highlighted, because it's not a single case. There have been several cases of such, in the past, where this VVIP culture has in fact exposed the system, where the system, in fact, in connivance with the authorities and in the court, have in fact made, the guilty goes free. So that has been the anger of the public. That has been the public sentiment. But in this case, this Shivam Mishra has a notorious background, because if we talk about the last 2 years, he had a history of, in fact, pointing a gun to the income tax officials who went to his house for, raiding his premises. Later on, the reason was given that he thought that there were some people who have come to loot the house, for the purpose of dacoity. So that has been a very highlighted case. In the other case in Uttarakhand, he also, he was also in argument with the lady inspector, after which his car was seized, a luxury car. It was seized in Uttarakhand. After which several police officials, senior officials, some of the politicians intervened, and it was after 2 days the car was released, and that has been a very highlighted case as of now. Apart from these, there have been several, incidents where people have reported that he has a habit of, in fact, driving the car for more than 200 to 250 kilometers on the expressway. So that has been the say of the people who have been commenting on the videos and the stories that we have been posting. So keeping in mind his notorious background, such is the public sentiment, and the authorities are making sure that he does not go free this time. At least they are trying to integrate him, in fact, in any of the manner. The sections have been imposed, but they are not strong enough to arrest him, because all of the sections that have been imposed by the Kanpur police does not have the punishment for more than 7 years. That means technically the police can't arrest him. It is only through the medium of the court that he can be punished in this very particular case. That too, even after Kanpur police files the report and the court has to be satisfied. Otherwise, the car will be released from the police station itself, and also the bail application, because they are expecting that the police might, increase the sections. That why the bail application has also been placed. So they are expecting from the court some relief. Now it remains to be seen what happens.
Yes, and we will be keeping an eye on that court proceeding. Thank you very much, Simar.